I want to invite you to work with me as your decluttering, simplicity, minimalism, whatever kind of word feels powerful to you. I want to talk to you about working with me as your coach and letting me help you on your decluttering journey. While I am what is considered a life coach, I particularly like to focus on helping people declutter, minimize, and simplify not just their stuff, but their calendars and all of the parts of their life that take them away from what is most meaningful to them. A life coach can be a great asset to help keep you on track, help you set realistic, smart goals, and to help you keep accountable with a little bit of what I call compassionate ass kicking. I can help you identify the obstacles that are keeping you from achieving your goals and help you keep your focus so you can maintain your momentum. With my help, you can develop the skills and strategies to declutter your home, declutter your calendar, and declutter your life so that you have the time and energy to spend on the people, experiences, and things that matter the most to you. Here are a few ways to work with me, from the one that's going to work the fastest with the most acceleration to the one with the least, but only you are going to know what's right for you at this time. We're going to start with weekly one-on-one coaching. That's going to have the biggest impact. You and I will meet for an hour over Zoom every single week. Every week we'll be outlining goals, creating action steps. I'm going to be checking in with you periodically between to make sure that you are staying on task, and you have unlimited access to me through Voxer. You also have access to a private Facebook group so that you can get support from other people going through the same journey, not just me. The next would be that same thing, one-on-one coaching, but bi-weekly. So you and I would meet every 2 weeks. Those are 3-month packages that can be paid for either monthly, or you get a discount if you pay for all 3 up front. So group coaching is your next option. It's exactly what it sounds like. You're in a group. I have a group coaching meeting once a week on Friday afternoons, and there is a private Facebook group that everybody can connect with in between the weekly meetings. Generally, there are some themes for the group coaching, and there is a document that has all of the themes for the entire year that can be signed up month to month. There is a discount if you sign up for 6 months or 12 months at a time. So looking at the document to see what the themes are that are coming up might be helpful to you. And lastly, you're not really ready to get into coaching yet. There is a free Facebook group, not the same as the private group, though it is private according to Facebook's rules. There is a free decluttering community that I have as well that you are welcome to be a part of, where you can communicate with other people on the decluttering journey, communicate with me, though I won't be in there as much, obviously, as the one with my active coaching clients, but I definitely will be in there supporting and helping as needed. That one's a good option if you just don't think you have the time for weekly or bi-weekly meetings at this time. Now, how do we get started on any of these things? Or how do we just kind of what is coaching? Make sure you book a discovery call with me. Those are free. They are real coaching. It is not a sales thing. I will spend maybe 5 minutes at the end explaining what your options might be to do more. But that is a way for you to experience what coaching is like, get to know me, decide if I'm somebody you want to work with on a more one-on-one or group setting. So no reason not to try it out. There is a link to be able to sign up for a free discovery call and get started. If none of the above works for you right now, that's okay too. Everybody's at a different point in time in their life. Be sure to follow, subscribe, all of the things, all of the different platforms that give you something different so you can keep up with my content, because I'll be here when you're ready. So what are you waiting for? There is no time like the present to tackle clutter in your life and start living intentionally. Remember, small, consistent actions add up to big changes. Start decluttering your life today.